In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off double opt-in Klaviyo. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing process and simplify the way subscribers join your list, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have switched from the default double opt-in process to a single opt-in system, making it easier for your audience to join your mailing list without the need for an additional confirmation step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Klaviyo dashboard. You'll see a search bar there. It's a handy feature to quickly find specific settings or tools within the platform. Type default opt-in settings into this search bar and press enter. Almost instantly, you'll be presented with a list of results. Click on the first one that appears. This will take you directly to where you need to be to make the necessary changes to your opt-in settings. Once you're on the default opt-in settings page, you'll notice there are two options available for you. These are double opt-in and single opt-in. Let's take a moment to consider what each option means. A double opt-in process requires users to verify their subscription through an additional confirmation email. While this is great for ensuring that your email list consists of highly engaged subscribers, it can sometimes act as a barrier for new subscribers. On the other hand, a single opt-in process allows subscribers to join your email list immediately without needing to go through a second step of confirmation. This method is perfect if your priority is to expand your audience rapidly and reduce friction during the sign-up process. However, keep in mind that it could potentially lead to more unengaged users since they can join with just a click. To switch to a single opt-in, simply select the option labeled Single Opt-in. Once you've made that selection, your change is instantly applied, making the process as seamless as possible. And just like that, you are all set. You've successfully turned off the double opt-in feature in Klaviyo and opted for a simpler approach for your subscribers. Your new settings mean that anyone who enters their email address will immediately become part of your list without needing to take any additional steps. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've altered how your audience interacts with your marketing materials for the better. Remember, making adjustments like this can have a significant impact on your customer experience and the growth of your email list. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing!